Alright guys, so today we got another addition to the GR Corolla, and it's in this little box right here. And what it is are carbon fiber replacements for the front vents. So we'll be upgrading these to carbon fiber to match all the other carbon fiber goodies that we've done on this car so far. I think it accents this color really good, and I think they just look good. So let me know down below what you think of the carbon fiber accents and if you think these are worth it or not. I mean, but today we have these. So here's the carbon fiber for the vent here. I'm not even sure how these take off, but looking at it, it looks like there's either 4 screws or 4 clips of some sort, and they seem directional. So it looks like we have the left one there. Alright, so these look pretty much like a duplicate of the factory part. So this probably, let's pop open the hood and take a look at how these actually bolt on there. Yeah, it looks like it's going to be 4 Phillips and then maybe a 10mm to get rid of this drip tray. So let's try to pull that off real quick and then see how easy these are to take off. Alright, so I'm going to assume this is a 10mm. This felt very loose, but I guess there's only 1 screw holding it in. Alright, so if everybody was wondering, because I was a little curious too, this is literally just a drip tray. So I know everybody's like very concerned about getting water in the engine bay and everything like that, but Toyota designed this little drip tray that I'm gonna assume where it comes down is like, I don't know where it would be. Possibly, it honestly looks like it would be right around here, and it just lets the water drip down somewhere over there. But this gets it out of the intake and everything like that. So now that we got that, so let's take these 4 screws out, and that should pop that thing right off. Okay, so I just grabbed this off. It actually looks like there's some double-sided tape holding these on, but it actually stuck to the car and not to this. So if you look, there's a piece of double-sided tape here, but there's not one on the other side. So, but this actually stuck. I'm just gonna leave it there for a little bit of added extra holding power, but I don't think it's needed. All right, so far this probably has to be one of the easiest installs I have done in a while. Super simple, like I was saying. I mean, I have not had an install this easy and this accessible, I mean, in such a long time. But so this is super easy DIY. Alright, that's all bolted up. Now we'll put our drip tray back on. This has like a little lip that needs to tuck into something first, and then you can bolt it in. But yeah, this bolt doesn't seem to really get tight, so I mean, but it's not holding up much at all. But let's take a look at what the difference looks like real quick. Alright, definitely have to say, like I said, it gives that little touch of detail on this car. I really like it. Fitment wise, fits just as good as the OEM one. And the finish looks really good too. And it has a nice carbon fiber weave. So what do you guys think? Does it look good, or do you prefer the piano black? Like I said, I think just going with all the accents, I think it's a great accent as well to just do this. So obviously this is for pretty much the circuit edition models, because the other models don't have the hood bulge unless if you get either aftermarket hood or you get the circuit edition hood. But if you do, maybe skip out on ordering these covers and get the Extreme Online Store one. So let's hop onto this one and change this one real quick. All right, let's try to speed through this one. It honestly looks like it's about to rain. Alright, so it actually just started to sprinkle and getting a little wet, but I got both of them installed and these things look really good. So again, if you like carbon fiber, these are a great accent, and you're trying to make the GR Corolla slightly different than all the other GR Corollas, this is a great way to do it. If you guys are interested in any of this stuff, I will put links down below to these. Like I said, very simple, bolted straight up, super easy install. Fitment is like just as good as OEM, had no issues at all, so definitely recommend it. But with all that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are new, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time.